We're about to take this Konica out for a spin.
Released in 1978, the Konica C35 EFP is a fixed-lens 35mm film viewfinder camera. It has a single shutter speed of 1/125th of a second. The C35 EFP is quite light at 300 grams. The lens is a fixed Konica Hexanon 38mm f4, and it has a very quiet between-lens shutter. On top of the Konica C35 EFP are the film rewind knob, film advance lever, and the shot counter just beside it. That silver one is the shutter button. On front is a close-up compensation button for flash, the pop-up flash unit, and the operating button to release the flash. On front of the lens, there's an ASA switch that can be set to match your film's ISO rating. It can be set to 100 or 400. You can see a tripod mount and a film rewind button on the bottom of the camera, as well as a port for 2 AA batteries to power the flash. The camera's back holds the backdoor release button, and you can see the viewfinder at the top. To load film into the Konica C35 EFP, slide the film canister into the film chamber on the left side of the open camera. Pull the film leader across to the right and insert the end into one of the slots in the take-up spool. Try advancing the film with the lever, making sure the plastic take-up teeth grab the film by its perforations. Close the back door, advance through a frame or two to get to unexposed film on your fresh roll.
So I'm out in Montreal today shooting with this Konica camera. See, with this one, the flash is stuck in an upward position, and I think that's going to be a little bit awkward. It's been awkward in the bag and in the pocket. So I'm about to take this Konica out for a spin. It's a bit of a brick. It's not very heavy, however, so that's kind of a plus. This flash pops up, and it pops up accidentally very often. So I'm kind of hoping it stays down. It's been a bit of a nuisance in my pocket and in my camera bag. But let's fire off a few shots. I'm here near Atwater Station in Montreal, and that is the Montreal Forum. So the way I'm going about this, I'm just kind of running with the camera, no knowledge of how exactly it works, trying to figure it out by feel and intuition. And I didn't realize before taking a shot or two with this Konica that it seems to be a leaf shutter. Very quiet, very light, and I wasn't sure it fired at first. Regardless of if this Konica's flash was ever going to work, having been outside in the cold, this little door just broke off. There you see the battery port door just broken. Poor little battery's going to slide right out. I found a funny way to hold this Konica is with the film advance lever open. Just catch it with my thumb, and I just keep my thumb on the shutter like that. I can whip it out real quick. just about hit the end of the roll on this Konica camera. Haven't been able to alter the shutter speed or really anything, so it's just kind of run around and shoot without like really paying too much attention. It's kind of fun because it means that I'm just practicing street photo, kind of running around and like getting shots quicker than I normally do with my run around street setup. That's the Konica. I found it's been fun to use even without the flash. Nice and light, leaf shutter. I love how quiet and clandestine it is. Had a lot of fun with it. Would I recommend it? Maybe one that had a working flash. I still don't like the way the flash pops up. It's a bit awkward in your bag or however you're carrying it, just in case the latch is upset and doesn't stay down.